Namaste. Basic concepts and formula PUC content or 11th and 12th content. 11th and 12th mathematics content. Okay. Article number 6.2 limits. Article number 6 is calculus. Sub-article 6.2 is limits. Consider y equal to f of x. And when x equal to a, so then y equal to f of a. ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದರೆ ದೆನ್ y equal to f of a. Sometimes f of a assumes forms like 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, infinity to infinity, 0 to the power of 0, 1 to the power of infinity, etc., which are all undefined. In mathematics, these are called indeterminate forms. Observe the example. Y equal to x square minus 1 divided by x minus 1. When x equal to 1, so then y equal to 0 by 0, which is undefined. We can rewrite y in the form. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು 0 by 0 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, y equal to x square minus 1. So we know the a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 divided by x minus 1. So this x minus 1 and x minus 1 get cancelled. Then y equal to x plus 1. Suppose x not equal to 1, we can cancel the factors x minus 1 by x minus 1. Therefore, x equal to 1 ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ y equal to 0 by 0. And when x not equal to 1, so then y equal to x plus 1. Instead of taking x equal to 1, we shall give values of for x which are very near to 1, little less than 1 or little more than 1 and tabulate them. X, y equal to x plus 1. If x equal to 0.1, 0.9 plus 1. If x equal to 0.9, so then y equal to 0.9 plus 1 is 1.9. When x equal to 0.99, so then y equal to 0.99 plus 1 is 1.99. When x equal to 0.999, so then y equal to 0.999 plus 1 is 1.999. When x equal to 1.1, so then y equal to 1.1 plus 1 is 2.1. When x equal to 1.01, so then y equal to 1.01 plus 1 is 2.01. When x equal to 1.001, so then y equal to 1.001 plus 1 is 2.001 and etc. From the table, it can be observed that when the value for x is little less or more than 1, ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕನೂ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಪ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್, ಸೊ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1. ಸೊ ಈಚೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1, ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1. So from the table, it can be observed that when the value of x is little less or more than 1, the value of y is little less or more than 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Little less than 2, more than 2. But y has no value when x equal to 1. But y has no value when x equal to 1. This is equivalent to saying that when x is closer and closer to 1, y is closer and closer to 2. So ಯಾವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ x equal to closer 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, then y is closer to 2. In other words, we can say that limit of y as x tends to 1 is equal to 2 and is symbolically represented as follows. In other words, we say that the limit of y as x tends to 1 is equal to 2 and is symbolically represented as follows. Limit x tends to 1, so then y equal to x plus 1, so x plus 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Limit x tends to 1, so ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅನಂತರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ 2. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಫ್ y equal to 1 upon x, it is obvious that as x increases y decreases. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ y is decreasing because inversely proportional. And this can be represented in the limit form as limit x tends to infinity ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 1 divided by infinity, any value by infinity is 0. The following are some of established standard limits. First one, limit x tends to a. So x power of n minus a power of n divided by x minus a equal to n into a power of n minus 1. Limit x tends to a, x power of n minus a power of n divided by x minus a is n into a power of n minus 1. n is any rational number. Second standard limit, limit x tends to 0, sin x divided by x is 1. Limit third standard limit, limit x tends to 0, tan x by x equal to 1. Fourth standard limit is limit x tends to 0 into 1 plus x to the power of 1 upon x equal to e. Otherwise, limit x tends to infinity, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಹಾಕಿ, 1 plus 1 upon x to the power of x equal to e. Next, fourth standard limits, limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus x divided by n to the power of n equal to e power of x. Sixth standard limit, limit x tends to infinity, x power of 1 upon x equal to 1. Next, continuity. A function f of x is said to be continuous at a point x equal to a. If limit x tends to a, f of x equal to a, f of a. So limit x tends to a, f of x equal to f of a. So here f of a should not be infinite, indeterminate or imaginary. A function f of x is said to be continuous at a point x equal to a. If limit x tends to a, f of x equal to f of a. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಎ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ಫಿನೈಟ್, indeterminate or imaginary. ಇದು ಇನ್ಫಿನೈಟು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.